Okay, we have to talk about AI and the balance between human creativity and artificial intelligence in content creation. We all know tools like ChatGPT and Gemini and others have become integral parts of our workflows, but how do we ensure we're not losing the essence of originality? In this video, I'll share my perspective on how to effectively use AI while still maintaining our creative touch. Stick around. AI tools are really quickly changing the landscape of content creation, and they're not going to go anywhere. They're here to stay. So from generating video ideas and scripts to helping with video editing and even creating entire videos now from a text prompt, AI can save a ton of time and effort. But the question is, can AI fully replace human creativity? Well, I believe that while AI is powerful, it cannot replicate the deep emotional connection that only humans can bring to their content. AI is an amazing productivity tool, and it should be viewed as a helper, I think, not a replacement for what you're doing. Tools like ChatGPT can help with brainstorming, drafting content, or optimizing for SEO, all the things that would typically take hours, especially when it comes to creating content for YouTube. You can generate some incredible efficiencies in your workflow process. I use AI now to help generate video ideas, to help with my script writing process if I'm writing a script. And when I'm doing that, I get a solid draft in just a few seconds, and then I edit and add my own personal touch to it so it matches the way I like to deliver. So it's not replacing my creativity, it's just kind of freeing up more time for the creative process itself. That's my perspective on it anyway. We want to maintain originality and our own authenticity. As content creators, authenticity really is our biggest asset. People come to us for our unique perspective, our voice, our experiences, our expertise. AI can help with the heavy lifting, but it's up to us to inject our personality and our originality into our work. While AI can generate ideas and even create content, it's the nuances of our voice and our experiences and our emotions that make that connection with viewers. So make sure that despite using AI, your content reflects your true self. One of the keys here is finding that balance where AI enhances your creativity, but it doesn't overtake it. So think of AI as a tool. It's not a crutch. It can help with research, ideas, and editing, but the magic still comes from you. So if you do decide to use it to generate topics and scripts and things, just make sure that the final delivery is uniquely yours. And you do that by making it yours through some editing. AI should amplify your creativity, but not take over the entire process. So how do you use AI without losing your voice? Well, if you're worried about AI changing your voice, here's a few tips. Always review and edit AI-generated content. It is not perfect, believe me. You have to go through it. And then personalize it. Add some anecdotes and some thoughts and some experience. Don't just rely on AI to do all of the work. Just think of it as a brainstorming partner. Let AI spit out some ideas for you and then tweak it. Change the tone. Make sure it feels authentic to you and your brand. AI should never replace your voice. It should only support it. It's interesting watching AI evolve and the ethical implications around AI in content creation. The more we lean on AI, it's important to think about how we're going to use these tools. Are we losing creativity by relying too much on AI? And how much credit should AI get for content creation? To me, transparency is going to be key, so we should always make it clear when AI is involved in the process. So I've mentioned several times that AI helps me with brainstorming and script writing and things because I believe it's important to be transparent with my audience, but I'm still making all of these things my own. This is me with my voice speaking through the camera lens with you as my audience. AI is a collaborative tool, not the solo creator of my stuff. So the future of AI and content creation to me isn't about replacing humans. It really is about collaboration. AI can assist with task-oriented stuff like generating ideas and editing and optimizing and all of the things we've mentioned in this video, but it simply cannot replace emotions, experiences, and our own unique creativity that we bring. Imagine if you were writing a novel. AI could help generate ideas or suggest edits, but the soul of the story, the depth of the characters, the plot twists, all of those important characteristics come from you. Think of AI as your partner in creation. It's not meant to be your competitor. I think human creativity still wins at the end of the day, and the most important factor in content creation, I think even more so as AI develops, is going to be the human touch. AI just can't replace the passion and the emotion and the authenticity we're putting into our work, and the ability to connect with an audience on a human level is what sets us apart. No AI will ever be able to replicate that. At least I hope not. For now, when I share my personal experiences and connect with my audience through the stories I tell, that's something AI can't do. It doesn't know my stories. Probably the big question is, what's next? As AI continues to evolve, it will likely become an even bigger part of our content creation process. But I think it will always need the human touch to make it truly special. Honestly, I think the future is one where humans and AI collaborate to create the most impactful, engaging content. So I'm definitely a proponent of AI. It can and it should be used to enhance our creativity and create some efficiencies for us, but it cannot replace the essence of who we are as creators. So embrace AI, but don't let it take over your creative voice. Let me know in the comments how you're using AI in your content creation process and what steps you're taking to maintain your originality. I'm curious about how other people are dealing with how AI is evolving. Of course, if you found this video valuable, be sure to hit like and subscribe. I'm really grateful for that. And I hope that you find one of these videos valuable as well. I'll see you there.